So we're out here at the Barry J. Nidorf Juvenile Hall, 16350 Filbert Street, City of Sylmar. Got a couple guard shacks right here that we're gonna check out. So there it is, folks, Barry J. Nidorf Juvenile Hall, 16350 Filbert Street. We don't want to talk, man. Thank you. We don't want to talk, thanks. This guy just asked me how we're doing. What are we doing? So I just told him we don't want to talk.
We're allowed to let you all come on and videotape all of it in here.
Is it public access or is it private property?
It's county.
Yeah, then we're allowed to be in here. Just as long as it has public access, then it should be no problem.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to call somebody, that's up to you.
No worries.
Yep, thanks. So we're here heading to the visitor area, visitor center, try to get some information on how to visit an inmate here. And people definitely got concerned of why we're here, so should be no problem. District Attorney.
What are you guys doing? No, there's no information center. What are you looking for?
The other guy told me different. They can,
Well, information? What do you mean information?
visitation.
Visitation's over.
No. Thank you.
They're going to call the sheriffs, man. I don't know
Great.
what's going on with you.
That's great.
And we're
I don't know
talking
about this story, but I was told to come out and confront you guys.
Wow. Well, you didn't do a good job of it, sir. Could have asked politely, we would have given you more information.
It's public property. Yes, it is. We're doing a story. Yeah. We know the law. We know the law. We wouldn't break the law.
No, I got you, but you're not supposed to film here.
No, we are. First Amendment, sir. Okay.
See ya.
I'll get you someone that... Yeah, I'll get you someone that can help.
People are out of control here.
I'm here to get some information.
And I'm here to help you. Would you like some help?
I
I'll
know.
be glad to help you. Come on. Come with me. I'll help you.
No, you can't give me what I'm looking for. You're just a guard.
I don't know what you're looking for. I'm
Exactly.
going to get you the people
You're
from
just
the
a guard,
inside.
though. I don't need to talk to you.
All right.
Plus, you're being confrontational.
okay.
You yourself said they
Yes,
sent you
sir.
out here to confront
Yes,
us.
sir.
Yep.
No problem. I'm going to get you somebody to help you.
Thank you.
And restrictions of weapons. Restriction of prohibited items. All persons are prohibited from entering Los Angeles County Courthouse with any item listed in the courthouse prohibited item listed attached. Yeah, okay. Oh, here's all the weapons. I don't see anything about a camera in there.
You guys cannot come up here, man. Please don't put me on film.
So don't walk up to my camera if you don't want
I'm
to be
not
on
going to
film.
touch your camera, but don't put us on film. I'm going to call the sheriffs. You guys
Great.
are not supposed to be filming here.
Why not?
This is a
Where's the
detention
notice
facility.
that says no filming?
This is a
We looked at
detention
every
facility.
sign.
Okay,
Okay,
no
that's
problem.
great.
You guys have a card or anything?
I'm not giving you any information. We're not here to give you any information.
I got you. That's fine. Do you have a card?
We're not
That's
giving
fine.
any
Okay,
information,
that's not a problem.
sir.
So you don't have a card.
Like I said,
That's
you're not
problem.
understanding
You
English,
can't,
sir.
sir. You can't walk up on this. This is county property. So
Great.
We are the county, sir. That's what I'm talking
Oh, you're not. It's cool, man. Do what you got. If the sheriff gives you,
Great.
not gonna worry about it, but you're not gonna get in the
No, we're not going in.
Yeah, it's all right. It'll be handled. It's not a problem.
And you'll be educated, but just remember.
You don't have to educate any of us. It's fine. We work here, so that you don't educate anybody.
Well,
Do you have a card? That's all I'm asking for. Just a
Do
business
you have,
card.
who am I speaking to?
I'm a supervisor. Do you have?
What is your name,
Doesn't matter.
sir? Okay.
Do you,
I don't acknowledge you're anybody's authority if you want to.
Exactly.
Yep.
You don't have a car?
This is how they treat you at the facility dedicated to Barry J.
You really
Lidor.
should get brushed up on the law, sir. You work for us.
They definitely don't respect people.
How dare
like
you come out and tell us something we can't do, something that's, you know, we have the right to do. Misinformed. As long as we're not planning on crossing no boundaries or nothing. We just want some information. That's all. If you can please get it for us, we'll leave and that way it'll be as soon as all these guys.
Okay, wait right there.
This guy's out of control. He wants to.
That's this guy behind us.
Thinks he's our daddy.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
Let the sheriff handle it, bro.
Just remember,
Right.
we're gonna get educated. Why are you doing it and we can't? I think you're not allowed to record on property. I think that's your policy, right?
Man, I really don't.
Is that your personal
Exactly.
phone?
You're going to care today.
Is that your personal phone?
Listen to me. You're going to care.
Is this your
Gonna
personal vehicle you're driving? 5KIC345. This guy's out of control. Wants to tell us what to do. Ridiculous. Stupid.
Just for information, I mean,
That's how they treat the public that comes to any facility that they feel nervous about.
say my son was here or somebody was coming here and I wanted information to get informed, and since I'm going to put out a story, I could put, hey, this is their, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Why are they being so confrontational? What are they hiding? Isn't that, if I have somebody here, isn't that what I'm supposed to come and do and find
Right.
out?
We're just documenting the visit.
Excuse me, sir, you can't take pictures of me.
Oh no.
Man, you cry a lot, sir. I'm sorry, man, but you whine a lot. I'm sorry.
No, I'm trying to give you a heads up.
No.
We don't need a heads up, sir.
The thing is, check this out. The fact that you think that you have the right to tell another man what we're allowed to do when we know what we're doing, sir, and that's how you're gonna portray yourself when we put this on our channels.
That's fine.
And at the end of the day, we're gonna walk away from here with no ID. We're gonna walk away, and you're gonna get told that there's nothing they can do.
Okay.
And if they do, then I'm gonna have you as the person who's instigating it all. Because we haven't said nothing. We just asked for information. Like, okay,
I just asked you to stop filming. That's it.
no.
That's the
Well,
only thing.
it's a.
You had no problem with that.
You asked me, right?
I asked you not to film. You walked past. It's fine.
It was a
Don't try to
question.
act like you. No, I asked you. I was being very respectful.
You told me. You told us we couldn't. We weren't allowed
You
to.
cannot film on. That's what.
Why are we doing it then,
Okay,
sir?
that's fine.
Look at that flag representing
Yeah, freedom.
You guys are doing it. That's good.
But the funny thing is, too, you turned around and then you took your phone out to take a picture of us.
Are you allowed to, as a county employee, to use your phone?
You don't know what I did with my.
Exactly, sir. You don't know what we're doing, so it's better off when we all mind our own business.
I was on the phone telling us.
Is out of control.
I hope you guys don't treat juveniles like this.
You think you can get us that paperwork or no?
Hey, let me see what I can do.
That's all we want, and we.
Let me even see if there's even paperwork. I know in regards.
I think you're just delaying until the sheriffs come is what you're trying to do, because
Yeah.
instead of getting us what we need so we can be on our way,
And
you
that's
want
okay because you're gonna get an education.
yeah,
too.
you want the sheriffs to come and handle us, which you definitely will learn a lot today. This story wasn't about you guys. It was a story about the building, you know, and trying to get information. But now you guys are harassing us.
I have
It's
a
ridiculous.
question. What does, I got a question for you on the phone. Sir? He's not gonna answer this.
He probably got educated on the phone already. That's why he's whispering over there. Oh, look, Cam back.
Hey, you don't have my permission. You don't have my permission. You're going down with us.
I know he's guilty, right?
Yeah.
So we go down.
You're going down with us, sir. Downtown.
Oh no, not a Cam back. You're not going to take pictures of photographers, are you?
You kids are gonna be ashamed to see you act like this, man. I hope you don't have no boys.
What are you hiding, sir? Look at that, the walk of shame. Woohoo. Should be ashamed of yourself.
Nobody knew who this guy was.
Get some pants that fit you.
He's like, you can't come in here, whatever, I come in here. And there's all kinds of info.
Oh,
In that place.
wow.
And this freaking art is like sleeping on my house. Look at this, you can't right here.
You can't even attend workshops that are inviting you to, but you will get frisked
And look
and
how many in the
stopped
corner
first.
right there.
I tell you.
Threes. Just in this corner.
I think we're gonna attend the workshop.
Yeah, right.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah?
You got a security force.
Uh-oh.
Easy money.
And so we finally got our paperwork that we came to look for. And as a matter of fact, they were trying to keep us out of that area, told us we couldn't enter. You guys will find out that we're free to stay just as long as we're not doing anything we're not supposed to be. So yeah, walk of shame. Look at that, heads down, hands in the pockets. You guys are ridiculous.
It's free today, sir. Next time we'll charge you. Here you go, guys. This is what we were asking for. It was right around the corner, but they were hiding like it was Fort Knox or something.
Yep. That's all we asked them for, some information, and
It's like, you can't go in there, but you turn the corner, there's a table full of pamphlets.
right. And he's like, oh no, that's just public information. That's what we asked you for, dude. What?
So how are you going to tell me I can't go in there? Oh, because I
I
can't.
might be wrong, but when he came out this, he said he was going to go get a sheriff to escort us out or something.
Yeah, he said he was going to get somebody to tell us.
Maybe go get somebody to help us. I don't know how to help you.
All right, so we're trying to get out of here. Now we got that black undercover car that was parked over there talking to a sheriff at the corner. See what happens.
We were walking away. There's only one road in and out, but they're leaving. They don't want to plan.
Look at
They're
that.
trying to find that car.
Yeah. One gun. This guy's making the tree.
I think we just got on. But they're predators, though.